Hello traders, welcome back to the DerivNavigatorAcademy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can actually make $20 easily with your bot. All right. Now, you go and analyze the market. Currently, I've seen it is an under 8 market. All right. And once you analyze the market, you come and choose the particular volatility. So I've chosen volatility 10-1S, and then you choose the trade type. All right. You choose the contract type under default candle interval. Leave it as 1 minute. I'll set my stop loss again. We are trading with a very small account again, so I'll put my stop loss at about $5, and then I'll put my target profit at about 20. Okay, let me put this at 10, yeah, so that can be reasonable. And then I'll put my stake at I'll do with $8 because again I have enough in my account, okay, to sustain that. And then prediction 8, and then you trade under. So we do a couple of runs and see how it goes. All right, so you can go increasing as you move on if you feel comfortable with increasing, but again, don't stress yourself. Okay, don't stress yourself. Remember, it is your money. You've worked hard for it. Only put money that you can afford to lose, because some losses will be there. It is up to you as a trader to figure out how to mitigate them. Okay, so currently you're at 6 runs. Okay, currently at 7 runs. Currently at, okay, that's a loss. Losses will always be there. Okay, don't fear them. All right, losses will be there. So once you incur a loss, you can increase the stake that you're using a bit so that you can be able to recover it. All right, so I'll put at least a stake of 10, of about 10. Okay, let me stop my bot. Yeah, so I'll put a stake of 10. If you incur a loss and your bot does not have a good martingale, you can just come and change it manually. Remember, for your bot to trade well, you have to be there as a trader in every step of the way so that you can actually control it and control it very well. All right. Yeah, as you can see, I've made a profit, $20 quite easily. So you have to master the strategy that you're using, and once you master it, you can put everything correctly, ensure you use a good stop loss, ensure you set a target profit to avoid over trading. As you can see, I've made my 20 USD, and actually this is a very good amount of money, and I can go and do something with it. All right, so that is how you can easily make 20 USD with a dollar printer. But if you need this bot, WhatsApp me right now. What you have to do is subscribe, and I'll give you this bot for free. Please subscribe, take that screenshot and send it to the number in the description, and I will give you this bot for free, because it's actually a bot that every trader should have. Okay, apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching. Trading is nice. Once you understand it, you will be able to really enjoy it. Okay, apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching until the end, and let us meet in the next one. Please, guys, ensure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell, and please share to anyone who you know is trading in Deriv, so that they know that trading actually works and they should never ever doubt it. Apart from that, guys, thank you for watching and good luck.